Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Daniel bin Sakimi. My matrix number is 2023-661708. I'm from class 801101B. Today, I want to present about transportation in plant. Transportation is a process movement of water and mineral from the root to different parts of plant. Transport system in plants consists of xylem and phloem. Xylem tissues is responsible for the transport of mineral and waters from the roots to the leaf, while phloem tissues transport sugars made in the leaf to all parts of the plants. Functions of xylem and phloem. Xylem transports the waters and minerals from the roots to the leaf by transportation system, while phloem transport food or sugar and amino acid from the leaf to all parts of plants. This sugar made by photosynthesis process. Transportation and transpiration needs a main component to make the process running successfully. The main component to make the transportation and transpiration system running successful is vascular bundle. Xylem vessels. Xylem vessels are one of the main components of a plant vascular system. Xylem vessels are long, hollow, continuous tubes that carry water and dissolved mineral from the root up to all parts of plant. Xylem vessels also contain a tough substance called lignin. It provides support that slides to the wall. Xylem vessels is one way only. It has no ends between cells and a thick wall stiffened with lignin. Phloem vessels. Phloem vessels are living cells with end tubes with pores. All the cells contained are disappears except cytoplasm. Phloem cells also have companion cells near them. Phloem vessels used to transport sucrose and amino acids from where they are used or stored. The movement of sucrose and amino acids through the phloem vessels is known as translocations. The companion cells that are located near the phloem vessels provide energy to the phloem cells to help them transport the nutrient. Transportation process also needs transpiration process to make the transportation process become successful. Transpiration is a process where water evaporates from the leaves and the water will be drawn up from the roots to upward. The water that lost vapor through stomata by diffusion. 90% of the water that has been absorbed by the roots lost through transpiration. Transpiration is a necessary process for plant as it helps in the absorption of nutrients and minerals from the soil. The process of transpiration also helps in the regulation of temperature within the plant. As water evaporates from the leaves, it takes away excess heat and cools the plant down. There are three types of transpiration. 1. Cuticular transpiration. Second, lenticular transpiration. And last, stomatal transpiration. Cuticular transpiration. Cuticular transpiration is the loss of water in the form of water vapor. The upper epidermis of leaves secretes the layer of cuticles or wax that minimize the loss of water from the plant. The cuticle also prevents the evaporation of water from the leaf surface. That means the thicker the cuticle, the less the water loss. When the stomata is closed during the dry conditions, more water transpires through cuticles. Second, lenticular transpiration. Lenticular transpiration is the loss of water in the form of water vapor through lenticles, present in the woody stems and fruits. The lenticles is a small opening that develops the older stem and also fruits. Lenticular transpiration also made the water from the cells evaporate and made the transpiration occurs. The amount of water that lost from this transpiration is between 1 and 5% waters from the plant. Stomatal transpiration. Stomatal transpiration is a transpiration that occurs through stomata. This type of transpiration is only occurs in its presence of sunlight or daytime. It is because stomata open in the sunlight and close at darkness. The opening and closing of the stomata is controlled by the gut cells. When the gut cell is turgid, pores open and close when they are flaccid. The turgidity increases the gut cells widening the stomata opening. The maximum water loss from the plant tissues is between 80% and 90% that takes place through the stomata opening. Transpiration process is affected by weather conditions, such as if it is windy, the rate of transpiration is fast. It is because the moist air on the leaf is blown away. If the day is humid, it will slow down the transpiration process. This is because the air around the leaf is full of moisture. Warm day will make the transpiration process will be fast because the evaporation occurs faster. And last, if it is light day, it will also speed up the transpiration process because the stomata open up. The importance of transpiration process. Gases exchange. It makes the absorption of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis process as the opening of stomata during daytime. Make the gases exchange become easier. Cooling effect. Making a significant cooling effect to keep the plant from overheated from their normal temperatures that they take from the sunlight. Effect on mineral transport. Minerals that are absorbed and accumulated in the xylem duct of the roots move up and distributed in the plant by the transpiration system. Effect on water movement. Water moves from the xylem vessels to the leaf and help the ascent of the sap. development of mechanical tissues. Plants become healthier and more compact. The cell wall become thick and chitinize the plant be able to stop the attack of bacteria. Maintenance of turbidity. Under the right conditions, plants absorb excess amount of water, which is given off by transpiration, to maintain optimum turgor for the better growth of the plant. That's all from me. Thank you.